Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to revise the poem Children Are Going to School. Okay, we have done this poem, we have written all the question answers of this poem, but today we are doing revision. So, first of all, I will recite the poem, then I'll tell you the summary. Okay. Children are going to school. Morning light spreads over the earth. Once again, the sky bows its head in respect. For children are going to school. The sun, after his morning dip in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road, for children are going to school. Through the green top branches, breezes sing their songs of blessings. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies. At the corner of the lane, the people in his lush deep foliage waves his hand, for children are going to school. Angels of light have set out. Every road is a gleam at this hour. Every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Time sitting on an old roof flies pigeon in the sky, for children are going to school. So this is a poem written by Nida Fazli, and it is translated from बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं. It's a Hindi poem, बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं, written by Nida Fazli, but it is translated. Okay, children are going to school, बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं. Okay. So, what is the summary of this poem? See, the summary of the poem is Children Are Going to School is a beautiful poem translated from Bachche School Ja Rahe Hai, written by Nida Fazli. The poem talks about how natural elements like sun, sky, breezes, fragrant flowers, people tree, every particle of the earth and pigeons, etc. are happy at the sight of children going to school. They express their happiness in different ways as the children find their way to school. Okay. So in the different way they are increasing. See, sky bows his head. Sky bows his head in respect to what? Children are going to school. The sun, after his morning bath, dressed up in his golden muslin turban cloth. Okay, waits and smile on the side of the road. Who? Sun, because children are going to school. Next, green top branches, breezes sing their songs of blessing. With their melodies at the corner of the lane, people tree, lush in deep foliage, waves his hand because children are going to school. Angels of light have set out. Every road is a gleam at this hour. Every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Okay. Time sitting on an old roof flies pigeons in the sky. For children are going to school. See, every particle of this earth, are ready to welcome the children because they are going to school. They find their way to school. Children find their way to school. So everyone is very happy. See, what is meant by muslin? A kind of soft fabric, muslin cloth. Foliage means greenery, leafy cover. That is the foliage. Gleam means shining bright. Every road is shining bright. Gleam at this hour. Okay. So this is the poem. See, now First question is read the poem aloud. That's why you have to recite the poem. So question number 2 is find at least 2 things from the poem that show the following. Find at least 2 things. It is early morning. So at least you have to write 2 lines. It is early morning for this. See, first line is morning light spreads over the earth. And second is the sun after his morning dip in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road, for children are going to school. Okay, these are the 2 things. Then second is the atmosphere is pleasant. The atmosphere is pleasant. 2 lines here. Breezes sing their songs of blessings. This is the first thing, because the atmosphere is pleasant. Breezes sing their songs of blessing. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies. Okay, so these are the 2 lines. Question number 3 is apart from the children, no other human beings are mentioned in the poem. However, many natural elements are shown to act like persons. Name them and also write what they do. Name them and also write what they do. Draw a picture of the scene described in the poem. Whatever the description is, you have to draw a picture. Okay, according to the given what we can say text. So sun, morning sun, birds are there. Okay, again people, tree. Okay, children are going to school. So all these things you have to show in your picture. Okay. Question number 5. The whole world is happy because children are going to school. Why is it so? Discuss in the classroom. Why is it so? See, why is it so? Children are going to school is a beautiful sight. The fun they have, the little games they play, the mischievous things they do, en route to the school, all make it a pretty picture. So the whole world is happy to witness this sight. Apart from this, it is important that children go to school for their development and the development of the world at large. So the whole world is happy because children are going to school. Write about how your family supports you to go to school. Question number 6 is write about how your family supports you to go to school. See, my family is my greatest support system. They support me in every way to go to school. Packing my bag, packing my lunch box, books, learning material is done by my mother. Okay. My father helps me to keep my books complete. He also helps me to get ready to school before dropping me to the school. Okay. Before dropping me to the school. So this is the question number 6. Question number 7. What would happen if children didn't go to school? Discuss the question in group and prepare a short composition on it. So you have to only discuss this question. Okay. And see. And prepare a short composition on it, small paragraph जैसे composition just लिखना. Okay. School is a temple of knowledge. If children didn't go to school, they would not attain knowledge. In a school, they learn different subjects, good qualities, and various skills. This helps them to become a good individual and great citizens. Children who don't go to school will be denied all the experiences. Children who are not going to school, they denied the experiences. They will also miss out all the fun other children have in school. Because other children are going to school. They were playing, they are making fun. Okay. We should ensure that every children is sent to the school. सब बच्चों को स्कूल जाना. We should ensure that every children is sent to school so that he receives good education. This will not only help him to realize his dreams, but also help him to contribute towards the national development. Let us educate and empower ourselves and work towards a bright future. Okay. So this is the question number 7 answer. Now question number 8. Question number 8. Write in short about your parents or guardians feel when they send you to school. What do your parents and guardians feel when they send you to the school? Parents, guardians experience mixed feelings are there. When they send us to school, they feel happy that we are going to school to acquire knowledge, skills, and values. At the same time, they miss our absence from home too. Sometimes, if the school is far away, parents and guardians are worried till we get back. At the same time, they are aware that for our bright future, it's essential to go to school. They are proud that we are doing our best in school by making the most of our experiences. Okay, so they are sending to us to us in school. Okay, so a lot of responsibility is there. Okay, they feel very happy that we are getting knowledge, we are getting moral values, we are getting we can say skills in school. Okay, so that's why they are very happy to send us to the school. Okay, list 5 of your favorite Hindi or Marathi poems or songs. You have to make a list of 5 Hindi or Marathi songs, poems or songs, and try to translate any one of them into English. उसकी कोई भी एक इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करने की कोशिश करो. Try to translate any one of them into English. Okay. See, now last question is visit a library, find a school poem, recite to your parents. Go to the school library, find any one poem and recite it. So this is about the poem. Children are going to school. Understood? Now, what you have to do? You have to recite the poem. Your homework is recite your poem and revise all the questions. Children are going to school. Okay. So do it. Do your homework. We will meet in next video. Okay. Bye.